This is going to be another unboxing video and the walkthrough. I'm gonna show you today the MINI PCR BIO Mini 16 thermocipher and the BlueBox from MINI PCR BIO, which is a blue light transilluminator. To be fair, I did do a walkthrough for this PCR machine during my how to do a PCR video, but I figured I'm gonna do a separate one. Okay, so let's get started. This is the box in which the MINI PCR comes in. In the box you have the following. You have the power cables, you have the MINI PCR, a quick start guide, another cable to connect it to a PC, and a carrying pouch, so you can carry it around. Before going into the walkthrough, let me show you what's in the blue box. So in the blue box you have power cable, some adapters, you plug it in. This is the blue box. This you use to take pictures. I'll show you in a minute. We put this aside and show you how the blue box looks like. Okay, so here there's a tiny blue box transilluminator. Let me plug it in for you. Here you have the on-off button. Let's turn it on. So you place the gel in here, and then you close this lid and you can see your DNA. Let me show you another thing, how to use the sleeve for taking pictures. You open this up. Like this. You cover the gel box like this. And here you have your own dark room, as it were. Let me show you. Let's do a walkthrough on the MINI PCR. Here is the MINI PCR. You'll have an on-off switch in the back. This is to plug your MINI PCR into a PC. You know, just transfer programs and program it. And this is for the power cable. To open it, you just pinch the sides here. You open the lid, Here you have 16 positions, and of course a heated lid. To close it, you just press down, and of course you just tighten the screw a little bit, not too much. Let's plug it in. Turn it on. As you can see now, it's searching for Bluetooth and an app to connect with. Well, let's do that. Let's connect it and program it.